Today we're going to make a quick video of how to remove the battery from a 2019 Kia Forte. The tools that you're going to be needing will be a 10mm socket as well as a 12mm socket with an extension, so that way you can reach the battery clamp that's down there. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and remove or open up that cap for the positive side, and let's go ahead and loosen up the positive terminal first, and let's loosen up the negative terminal as well. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and remove the negative terminal first. There it is. Set that to the side. Let's go ahead and remove the positive and set that to the side. We're now going to remove the 12mm volt that's holding down the battery. Let's go ahead and drive that all the way out. Take out the clamp. Make sure you don't drop that. There it is. Set that to the side. And out comes the battery. Sweet. And that is how you remove a battery from a 2019 Kia Forte. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.